Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do another Queen's order. All right. So the first in this order is going to Indianapolis. Okay. The first pair, I'm going to show y'all, which I have showed y'all in a Queen's order video. And it's called Supreme Chakra Earrings. So all these are on boabw.com, boabwart.com. For all the my new subscribers that don't know what that means beauty of a black woman or beauty of all black women. All right. So this is the bag. I always sign one of my designs. So if one of these not signed, it's not original. That's like my signature thing of signing one. Some people sign both. I always just sign one. So that's one. The next is a pair called Self Love. And this is a pair I threw in for her for free. And this is the back. So I'm pretty sure y'all have seen these. These are very popular on boabw.com. The next pair is called Chakra Butterfly Earrings. They are very, very popular. And I enjoy doing each and every one of them. I have a new design coming up similar, but a little different. So y'all watch out for that. It's a woman that's going to be drawing on the butterfly. And it's like me incorporating two different styles that I have. So y'all watch out for that. It's going to be Chakra Butterfly Woman Earrings. So these are on boabwart.com. The next pair is these. I enjoy doing these. These are called Afro Flower Earrings. And I think I have another version of these too. I'll put it up so y'all can see it. All right. This is a pair. It's called Black Eyed Pea Rasta African Print Earrings. I have a DIY on these. So if you want to learn how to make these, I'll put the link in the description box. So, yeah. These are these. All right. I'm going to thank this queen for supporting boabw.com. Original hand-painted earrings by the earring goddess UNITY or Khadijah. Thank y'all for watching these videos. I have so many videos coming up. It's just that I've been so busy and I've been trying to catch up with orders, but the more I catch up, the more I receive. So just keep watching and y'all will see some DIYs and other videos that pop up. All right. Salam, salam.